Get it. Get it. You can get it. You can get it.
Oh, he did?
Oh, goodness.
I don't understand.
Did you make it? You got it. You got it. Now you push it away. Get it. Go get it.
Oh, the first place
Go,
team?
Sable.
Oh, we played, let's see what that.
Get it. You can get it.
Yeah. Who the hell is he got?
You can get it. Almost there. Almost there. Yes. Back up and let him crawl to it. Don't blow the whistle in his face.
Oh, he don't have no 3 running backs to put in there, though. He's going to have to put Reggie Wayne, Deshaun Jackson, and Whitney.
Back up and let him finish going. Get right in front of the camera. You made it.